boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, my special helpers are Mr. John Wesley and Miss Emily and Miss Shiloh and Mr. Carter. And we're going to have a lot of fun today because today, our recipe that we're making, we're calling it Cassarito. Now, why do you think I'm calling it Cassarito?
Because it's half casserole and half burrito.
Yeah. Very good, Carter. It's going to be a casserole, but it's kind of like a burrito, huh?
Yes.
Oh, this is going to be fun. And you know why this is going to be so much fun? Because we don't have a lot of measuring.
Oh.
Yeah. So you can have fun with it. So we're going to start with, boys, put just a little bit of salt. Oh, you know what? First, let me spray the bottom. You want to spray your casserole dish, boys and girls, with a little bit of a...
stick.
That's right. Because we don't want it to stick, right?
Yes.
All right.
Otherwise, you aren't going to get it off.
That's right. And then you'll have trouble eating it, won't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Put in a little bit of your salsa. And John Wesley, you can put in a little salsa.
Cinda,
I don't like salsa.
Just there. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Cinda, can you tell me when to stop?
Okay. That's good. Now, girls, you can take your spatulas and spread it out. You want to take that, Shiloh? Take your spatula and spread it out. And get it all even on the bottom. Spread it all over the bottom, okay? Good job. Spread just a thin layer. Now we're going to take some of our tortillas.
Ooh, Cinda,
Okay.
what are tortillas made out of?
These are the flour tortillas. Now, if you want, boys and girls, you can use flour tortillas or corn tortillas. Now, wait, I want you to tear them into pieces and put them in here. So let's take this out. Okay, so boys and girls, what you're going to take your spatulas out. Let me give you guys some flour tortillas. If I can open them.
Can we put a little bit more salsa?
You can put a little bit more.
I don't have any more.
Well, you're right here, honey. Because I'm going to put some, we're going to add another layer. So we want to save. We don't want to do all our tortillas. So here, you each do 2 tortillas and tear them up into pieces and put it in the bottom.
And so do
No, you want big pieces. A little bigger than that even. You can do big pieces. Oh, that's perfect, guys. Okay, put some tortillas over here. You want to make sure that you put tortillas evenly on your casserole dish, boys and girls. Oh, let's do a little bit smaller. See, look, like this, Shiloh. See? Like that. And then see how I'm covering it up like this? There you go. We may need some more tortillas.
I don't have any.
You want some? Oh, you've got yours covered up pretty good. Let's just fill in a little bit there. And here, Carter, put some more over here. And let's see, we may need some more tortillas. I may have some over there on the cupboard. Well, let's wait. Let me see how many we have left for you. Yeah, you guys can each do one more. Well, you've got enough. So here, you do half and you do half, John Wesley. Okay, now.
But guys, it's completely covered.
Good. How about that corner right there? Good job. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to layer all of your other ingredients. So you put some rice, put a layer of rice. And you can help too. You can put some rice on this end. You put rice on that end. Not a lot. You just want to put a thin layer. Okay, now you two put a thin layer of rice. Can you reach this, Emily?
Yeah.
Can you get your spoon?
Wait, this one?
Well, actually, you could use this cup. And you put a thin layer of rice on this side, okay? Good job. You kids are doing good job. So this is just kind of like what you would do on a burrito, and then you roll it up, except we're going to layer it, and then we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to bake it. It's yummy.
I know.
It is, isn't it? Spread some over here, Shiloh.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, let's spread this out. John Wesley, can you get a spoon and spread that out?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough rice for you. Now let's just spread it out.
Cinda, look at us.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Spread it out.
Now put in half the burger.
Here's the burger.
Take half the burger. Just here, what you do is like go down like this. You see that, boys and girls? I'm just kind of halving it. So what I have done already is I've taken the burger. Oh, you know what? Before we do the burger, let's mix some spices in your burger because we want this to be good. So let's do.
Nice spices.
You want a little bit of spice? It's not going to be hot spicy. This is just some seasoning, okay? Instead of, it's seasoning. So you want, this is the chili powder. So 2 teaspoons of that, Carter. Find your teaspoon.
Where's my teaspoon?
Well, let's find your teaspoon. Yes, so put 2 of that. And while you're doing that, oh, John Wesley.
Cinda, can I have some honey?
Sure. Let's see, you're going to do, so you're going to do 1 teaspoon of the cumin, okay? And you're going to do, it won't fit. Well, you know what we're going to do? We'll do it like this. Yep, there's that. And then, whoa, there we go. There we go. 2.
Cinda, can we mix it up?
Now you can mix it up. Let's get 1 whole, there's 1. Okay, Carter, you need 1 of this.
Okay.
Carter, you need 1 of cumin. Okay, boys and girls, there's 2 teaspoons of chili powder.
Cinda,
There's that. And here, John Wesley,
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of cumin. Let's put it over here.
You have to mix in here?
And can you mix it up now?
In here?
Yes. Okay, mix it up. Good job. That's good, Carter. That's good. So, boys and girls, don't worry about writing everything down and getting the recipe on paper. You can just go to our Tiny Tot website and later, and you can get the recipe there, okay? Okay, put your burger on. You want half the burger. You have that all stirred up?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's put a little bit more right here, and you want to help him spread that out? Okay, spread your burger out.
I don't.
Here, Shiloh, let me help you get some burger.
You need help?
Because we're going to put a layer of burger down.
I said he needs help.
He doesn't need help.
Oh, well, you know what? Go ahead and help him put all the burger down. Let's
You
just,
need burger
here,
now?
let's take it all out of there. Can you get it all out?
I can.
Oh, good job, guys. So put our rice down, then put our burger down. And then we're going to start putting our beans on.
Ooh.
Mmm.
These are good for you.
Mm-hmm. Can you get that, Carter? Okay.
Any rice? I can put some.
Good job. Can you get all your burger on, you guys? Okay, now spread it out. You want to spread it out even. Here, let me help you, Emily. How about if I go like this, and that way you can see it better. Okay, spread it all out. Good job, John Wesley. Do you like burritos, John Wesley?
No.
You don't like burritos?
No.
Well, you know what? You're going to love this Cassarito because it's awesome. Okay, can you get the rest of that burger out, Emily?
He's trying to get it out.
He is trying to get it out. Here, I'll help you.
Get this big.
Okay, now, do you guys have yours spread out? Okay, now start putting the beans out. You can now spread the beans out all over.
Cinda, is this good?
Yes, now spread your beans all over. You can take these beans in here, Shiloh. You spread them all over it.
Okay.
No, you can just shake the can if you want, or you can use your spoon.
Cinda,
You
can
take
put
these
all of
beans
it?
and spread it out. And we're using,
All of it?
yes. And boys and girls, did you know beans are really, really healthy for you? So we're using 2 different kinds of beans. So we have black beans and we have pinto beans. Now spread them all out. Let me help you,
I'm
Shiloh.
taking yours.
See, look, you want the beans to all be mixed up and all spread out. See how I'm mixing them up, Carter? But you don't want to mix the burger up because we're leaving it in layers. Emily and John Wesley, can you see what I'm doing over here?
Mm-hmm.
See how we're doing this? And boys and girls, can you see how we're doing this? See how we're layering it like that? Okay. Now you can put a little bit of the refried beans on. Okay, John Wesley, you can take your refried beans and put these on. Oh, this is gonna be yummy, kid. Okay, now spread this out. Spread this out with your spoons. Can you spread this out? Oh, you got to get your beans on yet. The rest of your beans.
Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this.
Oh, okay.
Off.
Okay. Here, Shiloh, you can help.
Okay.
All right? There, you can spread this out, okay?
Okay.
Spread your beans out.
I'm not
Good
gonna
job.
put beans in.
Okay, spread all that out.
Okay.
How are you, John Wesley and Emily, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, Emily.
Cinda, I need some help. Cinda,
Okay.
I need some help.
All right, let's go like this. We can just spread it. Look out. You can use both hands like this. See how Miss Cinda's doing it? Okay. See how it's spread out? You don't have to be totally even, okay? There, you can use this too if you want. You want to use this one too, Shiloh? And do two hands?
Sure.
Here, there you go. Do two hands. And I'll clear this for you guys. And get these out of your way. How are you doing, Miss Emily? You have your beans almost out? Okay, now you're going to spread your green chilies on. Here, John Wesley, spread your green chilies on. And you guys spread your green chilies on. You want to get them all over. Oh, good job. Get them all over. Good, that's very good. Okay, and then after you get that on, oh, that's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. Miss Cinda's made a Cassarito, and it's in the oven, boys and girls, so you're going to get to try it, and you guys can get your moms and dads to help you make this at home, okay? I'm going to clear a space right here so I can put it on here, the table, so you can see it. I'll put this down so we don't burn, okay? How are you doing? Keep working, keep leveling. Now sprinkle some of your vegan cheese on top. Can you sprinkle your vegan cheese all over the top? Okay, I'm going to get this one out of the oven.
I'm doing it. I think I'm doing it.
Look at this, boys and girls. Doesn't this look yummy? You're going to want to make one of these at home.
See, I'm helping.
We're going to get to eat that. There. Oh,
Looks good.
does that look good? That's what it's going to look like when we put yours in the oven. You guys get the cheese the vegan cheese all spread out.
Do it.
And then what we're going to do is sprinkle the olives on top of that, boys and girls. And then right before you serve it, you're going to take some lettuce and you're going to sprinkle lettuce all over the top like this. And then we're going to take some tomatoes and we're going to put some tomatoes over the top. Look at that. Doesn't that look good?
No, it doesn't.
And then you can put some more olives over and a little bit of your tofutti sour supreme over it. That's our kitchen timer, boys and girls. We're all out of time for today. Remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.